Welcome to the Daniella Hogarth Meditation Technique series. In this meditation, you will learn how to clear energy and protect your space and home. Now is a good time for you to get some incense or some sage or burn your favorite essential oils in your home space. To begin the session, we ground ourselves and imagine our feet firmly planted in the earth. Imagine deep roots growing down into the center of the earth and drawing up with your breath the beautiful, warm, loving and supportive energy of Mother Earth. Breathe this energy up through your body and allow it to circulate and completely fill your aura with the nourishing, nurturing energy of Mother Earth. And now we turn the breath around and imagining an opening in the crown of our head. We imagine shimmering, sparkling white light shining down through the crown of our head. As we inhale, we breathe in this white light. Allow it to trickle down the back of your neck and down your vertebrae, creating balance and alignment. Through this white light, we connect to the great universe, to spirit, and our higher intuition. Allow this energy to cleanse and purify, and to swirl around and meet with the energy of Mother Earth. Here we have created the perfect balance of masculine and feminine energy in your aura and your energetic fields. And now we begin the clearance of your home. This technique can also be used in your car, your workspace, or you may even like to use this on people who you feel are feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Dear Divine Healing Intelligence, you are blessed, loved, healed, and forgiven. You are at one with your higher self. You are at one with your own divine consciousness. You are filled with love and light. You are free from fear. You are free from pain. You are free from earth, planetary, interdimensional, and all other vibrations not of light and love. You release and let go of any negative energies and thought patterns that you may be currently experiencing physically, emotionally, financially, or spiritually. You release and let go of any spirit or energy or entity, and may it be released, transmuted and absorbed back into the universe. You call on Spirit to take you to your perfect place of self-expression, of love, of peace, where you may reach your own highest potential. You go with Source now, setting this clearance intention by an infinite number of times, to beyond the beyond, and so it is. You may wish to use this meditation to uplift your spirits and to create a protective shield around yourself, your loved ones, and your home and your car and even your pets. A perfect way to do this is to imagine love coming in through this shield and love going out of this shield. But anything that is not of God's desire will simply rebound off And all that you have to say, all your actions will all be from a place within your heart and received in the way you intend. And to finish this meditation, this clearing technique of your home, now is a perfect time to play your favorite songs, to dance, to sing, and to bring in more joy to your space. Enjoy this beautiful, uplifting sensation and carry it with you for the rest of today.